is the heavy one here. All right, got some BMW N54 injectors. I do see some paperwork. All right. What do we got? Some Optimax injectors, paperwork there. We got air and fuel. We got looks like, or feels like some N54 injectors. Let's see here. Yep, N54. They look like they're legit. Index 12s. You got some paperwork in here. All good. Alright. Paperwork right on top. Got a bag of bubble wrap and some paper towels. The famous paper towel packing. What do we got here? Oh, these are some Yamaha outboard. I don't see any paperwork at all though. Nothing. So I guess we'll have to figure out whose these are. Or actually no, we did get paperwork here. Yeah. Looks like this is the paperwork for that one. So, yeah, we do got it. How the heck does this open up? The hell kind of... There we go. What is in here? I see paperwork and... Oh, they are some N54 injectors inside the plastic containers, like when you buy them new. Looks like we got 6 of them here. Numbered. Index 12. That's it. All right. Paperwork right on top. Let's see what we got. P1, P2. Nice big bubble wrap. What do you got going on here? Oh, some old RX-7 13B REW twin turbo primary injectors. I guess these are secondaries. All right. All right, you got paperwork here. What's inside? Some style EV14. Some kind of a BMW maybe motorcycle. Is there 2 in here? Looks like that's probably what this is. Yeah. Yeah, quantity 2. So, all right. see what's in this box here. Alright, paperwork. A lot of paper. Alright. Oh, okay. We got some GDI injectors here. Well, let's just make sure they did GDI service. Yep. Okay, so looks like there's 6, 2, 4, 6. Okay. It says BMW 335 for a quantity of 3. Let's take a look at what we got here. All right, some index 12s appear to be real. All right. Doing good today. Everybody's got their paperwork in there. We know whose they are, what to do. We don't have to become investigators. Let's see. Oh, wow, look at that. They got a little tiny invoice printed up and taped inside the box. That's cool. They really wanted us to make sure that we knew whose they were. That's a good sign there. Got some paper towel wrapping. And these appear to be some old RX-7 FC injectors. Actually have newer components on there, so wonder what's going on with these. All right. Okay, these were sent in UPS to us, addressed to a PO box. So it usually results in a big delay in shipping because UPS does not actually ship to PO boxes. All right, looks like they have paperwork in here. It looks like they have 3 GDI injectors. Let's see what we got. Okay, these are some. I've seen these on some Porsches. They have the attached electrical connector extenders here. All right.